What's up YouTube, and welcome to another video of Packy Kicks. This is Sevier, and today for you guys I have a very special unboxing video, and it's not going to be a typical sneaker unboxing or a clothing unboxing, but we actually have a Funko unboxing coming straight from the Funko Pop shop itself. And the item that I ordered from Funko shop came out 2 weeks ago almost, and it took a little while for it to get into the mail, but I finally was able to get it. And if you guys can tell from what's behind me, I have a bunch of Funko Pops, and it's just something I like collecting to go along with like shoes and clothing, and it's just something I do for a hobby too. And another thing with Funko Pops is just like shoes and clothes, it does have resale value to it as well. There are a lot of Funkos, like exclusive ones especially, that you guys can buy and you guys can eventually sell. But before we get into that video and see what is in this box, please make sure to like this video as well as subscribe my channel to receive updates when I do post more videos, whether it's like sneaker content or clothing content, or even if you guys want more Funko content itself. But with that being said, let's get right into the unboxing. So getting into the box, I'm going to open it up with some scissors and we'll see what's inside here. So opening up the box, as you can see, both our items are well bubble wrapped, as they should be, because inside we do have two specific Funko Pops. And we're gonna get into it right here. And then each of them are cardboard wrapped as well. So opening up the box, as you guys can see, the two Funkos I purchased from Funko Shop are the Funko Shop exclusive Johnny Bravo Funko and the Dexter Laboratory Funkos. These sold out really fast within a few minutes, and I just really wanted these because growing up as a kid, these are the cartoons that were on Cartoon Network, and when I saw that they was getting Funko Shop exclusive, it had to be a mandatory cop, because I knew as soon as they came out that it was going to be sold out in like a few minutes and stuff, and I didn't want to take in all of this, so I decided to get them and was able to get both of them. So starting off with the Dexter's Laboratory Funko, as you guys can see, we have our little Funko Shop exclusive sticker. We have the Dexter's Laboratory logo, and we just have the Dexter Pop itself. Here's the box of it. It has a nice artwork of Dexter himself. On the back, you see it says Dexter's Laboratory. And I don't really take the Funkos out the box because I like to keep them display, and just really like the packaging that they do for the Funkos themselves. So I usually just keep them in the box. And then the other Funko that came out along with Dexter was the Johnny Bravo Funko. As you see, we have the special Johnny Bravo packaging, the little Funko sticker right here for being exclusive. It says Johnny Bravo again on the side, a little picture. On the back again we have Johnny Bravo, number 680 right here. And that's basically the two Funkos I got again. Like I said, for these Funkos, they sell it really fast on the Funko Shop exclusive, and I think individually both of these go for like $40 to $50 a piece. If you want to get like a set, it's going to cost you around like $100, because again, these sold out really fast. And that's the thing about Funkos, if you do go after the right ones and the more exclusive ones, they can get you some real profit, because these only retail for $15 a piece. So if you guys really like these or want to go after them, definitely look out for Funkos to see which specific ones are exclusives and rare and limited. But this for me is usually for the personal. I do like buying like Spider-Man Funko Pops. I also have a few Michael Jordan Funkos as well, because I was a big sneaker guy and Jordan guy. But most of the time, if it's whatever Funko I like, usually I just go after them. And if it does come time to sell them, I do eventually down the line. But that's basically what I have for today's video. Just a quick little unboxing of two Funkos that I did buy. And again, I appreciate you guys for watching today's video. Please make sure to like, comment on this video, and to let me know what you guys do think of these Funkos right here. Also, please let me know what you guys think of any other Funkos that you guys collect, or other than the Funkos that I have. Do you guys want to see more of my Funko Pop collection? Just please let me know about that. Also, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and the notification bell to receive updates when I do post more videos, whether it's like sneaker content or clothing, or even Funko Pops content. And also, please make sure to follow me on Instagram at Hasib_Mian. The Instagram is on the bottom left corner of this video. And I appreciate you guys watching today's video.